Namaste everybody, this is Kumari Kanchare. Two things which are very important for any kind of civilized society is firstly humanity, secondly professing humanity. We all know and very congratulations to everybody for this auspicious month of Sawan. What is happening right now? Why I'm saying so? I'm claiming humanity and I'm expecting humanity from different part of this country because Muzaffarnagar police has given a Tughlaki farman by saying that every proprietor, every owner of any shop, any thela, any restaurant, line, hotel, dhaba would have to put their name at conspicuous part. The intention and intent behind this is to demonstrate clearly that who is the particular owner, from which religion they belongs to. Because it has been found in past that there are certain unruly behavior of different community has been seen to just hurt the sentiment of another community. But it could not be the general rule to just drag out the entire constitutional provision and constitutionalism. No. Why I'm saying so, I do believe that equity should sustain in each and everyone's heart and mind. As soon as equity will be there, equality would automatically sustain. This Tughlaki Farman is not even pointing towards one's right to have occupation and profession, but it's only pointing towards the mentality of intolerance, mentality of chua-chut, mentality of auspiciata, which Article 17 of Indian Constitution states. Article 14 has given power to each and every section of society equally, equality among equals. Apart from it, it's infringement of right which is enshrined under Protection of Civil Right Act 1955, which was a very magnificent act even just after the making of Indian Constitution. It's violating right to privacy. It's violating right to livelihood. It's violating one's right to choose. जब आप अपने शॉप का नाम रजिस्टर कराने या कंपनी का नाम रजिस्टर कराने जाते हैं तो उसके कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं कि इसके अलावा आप ये नाम नहीं रख सकते, बाकी सारी दुनिया के नाम आप रख सकते हो। मगर आज मुजफ्फरनगर की पुलिस आपको रोकती है कि आप एक पर्टिकुलर नाम से अपना दुकान रखिए जो आपका नाम है, जो ओनर का नाम है, ताकि इसके पीछे का मोटिव पता चल सके। दो इट्स क्लेमिंग दैट इट इज फॉर द पब्लिक ऑर्डर, मोरालिटी, बट दिस आर द सब्जेक्टिव सर. It is not objective. It could not be generalized until and unless all the exceptions under 19.2 and onwards are subjective in nature. So I do claim that these are the uncivilized, against law, against equity, against justice and विधि के खिलाफ है ये सारे के सारे फरमान. The way Muzaffarnagar police has claimed it is completely violating the constitutionalism, as well as just saying that you guys are not practicing humanity. So be human and practice humanity. Thank you so much.